Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. So today I'll be talking about the software engineer opening at Akamai Technologies. The best thing about this will be a completely remote role, and this is for freshers, open to freshers. You don't need to have any experience before this to be applying for this. This is a full-time role, and it's a role in India, and it's an entry level role, right? So the responsibilities that you will be having if you join as an employee at Akamai Technologies, you will have to create backend APIs and work on backend code functionality. You will have to work on end-to-end product development, take ownership of that, and you will have to talk to product stakeholders, so you understand that you will be having an experience in the total end-to-end flow of a product. So this is a brilliant opportunity. If you're starting out as a fresher, you will have brilliant experience here. Most importantly, you'll learn a lot if you join in this role. As qualifications, they will require you to have a bachelor's degree in computer science, and they want you to have some knowledge of agile methodologies, REST API, and Java. And definitely they will be offering you flexible working options because this is a completely remote opening. So moving forward to the hiring process that Akamai generally follows, they will be starting with round one online assessment where you'll be having 10 questions. It will be an online coding assessment where you'll be having 10 questions, out of which 8 will be aptitude questions and 2 will be coding questions. If you get through this round, you'll have to sit for a technical interview, which will be a data structures and algorithms round. So you will be asked to solve DSA questions, and you'll have to explain your approach and come to the best possible optimal solution with the best time complexity and space complexity. If you get through the technical round, you will have a managerial round where again your problem solving skills will be tested. Computer science fundamental concepts will be tested, but apart from this, you will also discuss about your projects. That's the difference in this round. If you get through this round, you will sit for a round 4 HR round, where you can practice for this from sites like Geeks for Geeks. You'll be asked about your extracurricular activities, hobbies, etc., like a normal HR procedure goes. So these are the 4 rounds that you'll have to sit for if you want to get into a company like Akamai Technologies. And this is a great opportunity. You should go and grab it. Go ahead and apply. I've attached the application link in the description of this video. And if you are liking my content, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I do post quite frequently on companies which are currently hiring for internship and job roles, especially for college students who are on the lookout for this. So go ahead and apply and subscribe to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. See you in my next video.